Today I am bringing you a What's for Dinner video. I just shared what we had for dinner Monday through Thursday. Tomorrow we are having lasagna, and I've shared that in a previous video, so I'll link that below if you haven't seen it. It's a recipe that I got from Raylynn over at Our For Sure Life. I will also link her video below, so it's really good. My family loves it. It's a hit, so I didn't figure I would share that one in this video, but I gave you what we had Monday through today, Thursday, and also I throw in a dessert, Kool-Aid pie. My husband actually makes that. I'd never even heard of it, never had it until me and him began dating. So their neighbor actually taught them, introduced them to it. So, but it's really good. So he's gonna make that, and I shared it with you guys. So if you try it, let me know what you think. It's really good, and I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment. I love talking to you guys. You're the sweetest people. You guys are great. I love you guys, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. And if you're ready, we'll get into the video. So for dinner on Monday, guys, here we are having Tony's frozen pizza. This week was a busy week for us, and Monday and Wednesday were two of the busiest days. So we had frozen pizza today. It was good. It works. Hey, it's food. But we enjoy the Tony's, so that's what we did for today. What's for dinner video. I understand that, but I wanted to pause for a moment and share the devotional. This is not today's, this is a couple days ago, but I had it marked because I felt like this is the one that I needed to share in my next video, and it's kind of fitting because this is a What's for Dinner, and it's talking about satisfaction. It's actually from October 19th, and the Pocket Bible Devotional for Women by Norma Rossio. I know that won't appear right, but it's linked below, not affiliated. So it is, the title is He Satisfies Our Needs. And the verses are from Psalms, Hebrews, 1 Timothy. And it says, "What are your needs, and how quickly do you need them to be satisfied before unhappiness and dissatisfaction sets in? According to the world, satisfaction through possessions, money, prestige, and status. However, your hunger is satisfied with bread, your thirst with water, but your basic needs are satisfied by Christ. When God created you, there was a space created in you that only He can satisfy. You'll long for fulfillment and satisfaction in things until you find it in Him." And I don't know about you guys, but I needed to hear that and need to go back to that, because it's so easy to get caught up when we see people that have this or have that, and envy kind of gets in there, and you think, well, that would be nice, or I want this and I want that, and it's easy to get distracted by what God has already blessed us with, looking for the things that the world tells us that we need, when reality is God is all that we need, and He'll meet the needs that we have. So this was for me. I needed to hear it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Hope it gave you some encouragement. I do greatly appreciate you allowing me to share these with you. That is a blessing to me, more than you guys even realize. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you're motivated, and we'll get back to the cooking. On Tuesday, we had our meatless meal. So we had homemade cream potatoes, mac and cheese from a box, corn, and green beans, or corn and peas, I'm sorry, and some Sister Schubert rolls. We like those rolls a lot. So for my cream potatoes, it's hard for me, guys. I don't really measure anything. I make the cream potatoes the way my mother-in-law used to make them. So after I drain the water, after they're done and they're soft, I drain the water, I add some butter and some pet milk, and use my mixer, mix them up, and add salt to taste. So I prefer them with the pet milk. We used to make them all the time with just regular milk, but the pet milk just makes them thicker and creamier. So that's the way I do it. And then the macaroni and cheese is, just drain some water, a little bit of butter, and put the cheese in. This day I was kind of in a hurry, so I didn't make it homemade. I'll share in another video how I make the homemade macaroni with Velveeta block cheese. But that's what we did for Tuesday. So for Wednesday, guys, we just had tacos. Plain and simple. We were running late. It was church, so made the tacos, and that was Wednesday's dinner. And on Thursday, I got that big pack of meat. Well, I portioned it out. I cooked it all, and half of it made tacos, while the other half made homemade chili on this day. So I used my hamburger meat, and then the Hunt's chili mix that you can see in the picture. And then I made some pinto beans in the Instapot, and I put those beans on and let them cook on high pressure for an hour and 20 minutes, and then I let them set for 30, and then removed them from the Instapot and put them in my pan on the stove and let them simmer so they would thicken. And I added just a little bit of baking soda in my beans before they're done. Mix it up, and then you just put your meat and your can of chili mix in it, and it's really good. We really enjoy it. So that's what we did for Thursday. So for this Kool-Aid pie, guys, my husband made it, like I told you in the beginning. So you just need your graham cracker crust, a can of Eagle Brand, sweetened condensed milk. It doesn't have to be Eagle Brand. Container of Cool Whip, and 2 things of Kool-Aid. And he just mixes the Eagle Brand and the Cool Whip together. Just make sure you get it mixed in really good. And it's funny because it's kind of thin, as you can tell in the video, and you add the Kool-Aid a packet at a time because it starts to thicken it up. And the first pack it gets thicker, and the second pack it gets really thick. So that's why you add them one at a time. And make sure you get them mixed up really good. Then you just put it in the pie crust, put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and it tastes great. So, and he makes the top all he's a perfectionist, so, but I was thankful for him making that and letting me video. So you guys, if you try it, let me know what you think in the description or in the comments below. I'm sorry. And I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Okay guys, that was the end of the video. I thank you so much for watching. I hope you were encouraged. I hope you were motivated. Thank you so much. If you're still here and stayed to the end, I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I hope that you have a fantastic day, and Lord willing, we'll see you in the next one. Be blessed.